Hello everyone, my name is David. I'm the CEO of this company, Max Enterprise. Congratulations on passing on your interview, and you are the first batch of employees of this company. And I look forward to work with you guys together and make this company a success. Thank you.
Yes, boss! From the clip we just saw, a new company has been established and a new population of employees has been introduced into the company. And it can be given, and the population can be given as dp over dt equals to k open bracket p minus r close bracket square, where k and r are constant and t is the time in months. So we are going to be solving the differential equation and express p in terms of t. So first, from the equation here, we will want to separate the dp and dt to each side. Then we will want to group the p and the dp together. We will treat this as a single term and move it over to this side, and we will integrate these both sides. Then from here on, we can express this in this form, and to make it easier to integrate, we will try to remove it. We wouldn't want it as a fraction, and we can move this term up. And when we move it up, the power of 2 becomes negative 2. And then from here, we can integrate both sides. So how do you go about integrating this? You will plus 1 to the power and divide it by the new power. And then for this, integrating k will give you kt plus c, as you are integrating k with respect to t, and k is a constant. So from here, we'll be able to get this statement, and with shifting of the values, we'll be able to express p in terms of t.
Okay guys, this is the recent sales graph. It has increased tremendously and thanks to Team Warner. And Team John, you have just one client less than Team Warner, and therefore the promotion will go to Team Warner. And due to the recent contract we had signed, thank you. We look forward to work with you guys. The company has expanded, and we are now hiring new employees.
15 employees were initially introduced. Due to the company expansion, employees doubled after 12 months. Given r equals to 5, find particular solution. So firstly, we will want to find the c, and given that t is equal to 0 and p is equal to 15, as the employees was initially introduced, means that it was from the start. Hence, t is equal to 0. So subbing in the values will give you this equation, and we will bring the 5 over, and hence it will be a minus 15 minus 5, and it will give you a 10 equals to 1 over c, as 0 times negative k will give you 0. Hence c will be equals to 0.1. Now we will be finding the other constant, which is k. And we will let t equals to 12 and p equals to 30, as it is said that the employees double after 12 months. Hence the t will be 12, and as the initial employees was 15, and when doubled, it will give you 30. And after summing of these values, we will get this equation, and the 0.1 is the c that we actually found previously. Yeah. So the positive 5 over here will bring over, and it will give you minus 5, which is 25, equals to this solution, this equation, and we will do cross multiplication. And 25 times negative 12 will give you negative 300k, plus 25 times 0.1 will give you 2.5. And 2.5, when you bring over, it will give you 1 minus 2.5, which gives you negative 1.5. And to find k, it will be negative 1.5 divided by negative 300, which will give you 0.005. And when we start all these values back into the solution, it will give you this particular solution. So how long does it take for the number of employees to reach from 30 to 50? So here we will let t equals to 50 and solve for the t, as we want to know how long did it take for the employees to reach 50 from the start, like the initial start of the company. So we will sub the values into the particular solution, and this is what we get. And we will bring the 5 over, which will give you 45. And we will cross multiply, and we will get this. And when we times the 45 in, we will get negative 0.225t plus 4.5 equals to 1. And you bring the 4.5 over, which will give you negative 3.5. And to solve for t, we will just divide negative 3.5. You will just use negative 3.5 divided by 0.225t, which will give you 16. 16 is the amount of time it took for the employees to reach 50 from 0, and 12 is the time it took to reach 30 from 0. So to find the time taken it took to reach 50 from 30, we will take 16 minus 12, which will give us 4 months. Wow.